doesn't mind me recording them? Let me know.
Does mind.
Who does mind? That's the question. Who does mind? Okay, you mind. You mind. Who else?
Okay.
No, I don't.
Okay. All right.
As long as you get my good side.
And if you put it in the wrong way. Bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You select all three with marquee select.
Yes. As a general rule of thumb, you should never ever play or edit. You should never play media directly off your flash drive. Get them into the computer first, and then when you're done, you can delete it so that you're courteous and save space. But get it into the computer first. Having done that, now we brought his images right here. It's right here on the desktop. You can see. I guess you're watching up there. We double-click on the folder, and then select them all, and then hit slideshow here on the top. Now if I right-click...
I'm not actually using them as a slideshow. That's not germane.
Right, but what it does now is it gets rid of those bars as you're talking about, and it takes over the whole screen, which is what it's supposed to look like.
Even though it's not the right size, it's still fitting.
It does some sort of fitting.
Yeah.
But if you are very particular about your imagery, then get it the right size.
Well, why would we want it to go on a slideshow if it's not going to be altering the whole time?
Oh, no,
No, you would stop it. Okay, so when you put it at the slideshow, your slides by pressing left and right arrow keys.
Okay.
Okay,
So-
so now I'm
You
okay
would go
because
to order?
So on the slideshow, you said
Let's do it
hit-
again.
Yeah.
All right.
do it again? Okay.
Here you go, Ernie. Can you please enter it into slideshow?
I'm not sure how to do that.
You select them all first, he said.
That
And
too.
now it'll-
Or you could do that, but you'll notice
And when
that. See how
oh.
it plays automatically once you turn it
And
into
the
slideshow?
Slide bar will stop the slideshow.
Yes.
Okay, so now in terms of just my production, these are in here now.
Yes.
So is there a folder? Can I just put them in a folder?
We'll
now?
deal with that later. Any more questions about...
Yeah, if you're not doing a slideshow, you're just using one background, and then later on you have to input
Character.
not a character, just a
picture.
still over the background. So, for example, she's gonna have a background with a full screen, and then while the actor's talking, you're gonna have to put a still.
So instead of thinking about putting that still with the character generator on top, what I recommend is that you make your slideshow, let's say this, right? And then that still you're talking about is something in the corner.
Yeah.
Right? What I recommend is you make two slides, two files. You understand? One file will be this, and then when I press right arrow, the other file, it's
It's
the
the
same
same one
exact
with the
thing,
box
but with
inside
that
of
new
it.
box.
So do I
Right.
have to put the image in that box each time? Like, do I have to sit, because I have 8 images and I'm going to, this is my screen.
Right?
And then this is the character.
Yeah.
So do I need to make one just plain green screen and
That's
then
right.
one with this green screen with just the opening?
Yes.
Do I need to have one for each picture or just leave that box there and then it feeds in the image from somewhere?
One for each picture.
One for each picture?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the easiest solution right now, thinking about that. There's also another solution by using the CG as well, but we
Yeah.
have to go over the switcher again. Remember how complicated that was the last class.
So, just a quick question. So, if I have those 8 different ones, is it going to be very clear, or is there going to be like any time lapse in between them?
No, it's going to be very clear. It's going to be seamless. Like once you direct your Skype operator, next slide, it's just going to switch over just like that.
Okay.
Is there an easier way to just use the background in the character generator, right? And then just use your the stills, the 8 stills, and flash them through the Skype?
No, as we have tried with the character generator, we brought in an asset that was 1920 by 1080. It does not have it fill your whole screen.
Okay.
Say that?
Ask, when you did that, when it came up on screen, did it come up on screen? Did it come up on screen at all?
It does come up on screen, but it's only like a quarter of like the whole screen. That's
Like
the biggest that we were able to make my image.
Like, so potentially could I resize it to make it small and put it up on the top, on the
yes,
side?
yes you
Yeah, I
can.
think that's a better idea.
That's
Yeah.
another way to do
You
it.
gotta close
Yes.
it
So
properly.
we can use this for the background.
Yes.
Just leave it at still, and then the character generator slide all the stills. to
Yes. Yes, you
I
can
think
do
it's
that
better 'cause
too.
you can
That is
shrink
another
that.
option.
What do you do first?
So she plugged in her flash drive into the teleprompter computer.
Okay.
All right. It
that.
showed up.
This is for the
computer.
teleprompter.
Yes, it's
It showed up. It showed up here.
Okay, you want me to start over?
Yeah, go ahead.
First, I put in my flash drive. I went to computer. Once I go to computer, I go into my external drive. I
Right.
open it.
Mhm.
I open up the file that is my script, which is this one. Or is that was one of the
You're
versions?
saying, okay.
Okay.
Great. Oh wow,
Close that.
screenplay format. Look at that.
So now
Let's minimize this for a minute.
let's minimize it.
And we will open Win plus X Lite.
What?
This software. over
Okay.
here.
What's it called?
Win
Win
plus
plus
X Lite.
Okay.
With the eye.
Click, click.
Right
And
there.
there is the prompt. Why don't we put it in the middle?
Script
Why don't we put the whole
untitled.
window in the middle? Please?
Okay.
All right, so File. Can we go to File on the top left? Open File. And why don't we actually open your document in your drive?
That looks so weird. Okay.
Okay, so we open up her file, but because of the Word format, there are some things that don't quite translate. As you can see, it has these weird P's for paragraph.
When I have an Interior Studio, should I have a separate version of the script where it doesn't have any of that crap in there?
Correct. It should just be the text of what your host, presenter, whatever, is going to say.
My
Don't
script,
you know?
my
I mean,
script
any stage direction, maybe you would have to put in parentheses, like look to other camera or other camera. But otherwise, you just want it to be what they say, their lines.
So I'll
Do you have any
just do-
tips about, I have two speakers, so are there any tips about how to, I just put their name in a colon, but should I return or something? Is there any tips for that?
Well, the same thing. I have
They'll be reading the
actor
same
1,
job.
actor 2, actor 3. I mean, I guess you can't avoid it.
You can't avoid it. Maybe what you could do is caps.
Mm-hmm.
You could caps their name, like
Yeah, I did.
Ernie.
But everything's
caps.
capped.
Everything's capped.
It automatically makes everything capped.
Everything's capped there.
You can make it bold. I made this bold presenter,
So
and it
it'll
made
hold
the
the
next
bold?
person's name. Yes.
All right, hold on. All right, so I mean that's what it looks like here. This is my bottom
Oh.
line. That is my bottom line. So why don't we go to prompt on the top,
So the next thing is prompt.
and then prompt on.
Go to prompt.
Yes.
Prompt on to tone teleprompter.
So yes, we can bolden the names, and they are all caps, unfortunately.
Okay. So
But you can bold them, and you can also put their names in parentheses.
so now you can see what they're seeing on this screen.
Exactly.
Exactly how they're seeing it.
Yes. So if you guys on the floor, if you can turn on the teleprompt, please.
Is it? Why is
That's
Oh,
it
okay, it's
that
already
that
on.
way I
So
can
there,
see
it's already on
the
over
next
there.
one. Keep going. Faster. Faster.
You want to go faster?
Yeah, because I want to see if her name bold
this-
again.
The
It looks
teleprompter
bolder,
kind of-
right?
Yeah, it looks
Yeah,
bolder.
it does.
I have a
Mhm,
procedural question.
You can kind of
What do you
barely
mean?
see it in
Not-
the teleprompter, the bold.
Okay.
So maybe
But if
for
people
Not
see their own
on.
names,
What is your name?
Ed.
Ed?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so I have.
No.
She was writing it, right? In Microsoft Word, and you notice how there's a particular format. It looks like a screenplay.
Right.
I'm sorry, I'm like reaching on top
That's
of you,
fine.
but the dialogue is in the middle, so on and so forth. So it looks like a really cool screenplay, but when you bring it into the teleprompt, the formatting disappears.
Right.
Right?
Mhm.
So this is a lesson too, like we don't have to format it so fancy for the prompt.
Gotcha.
I just use asterisks in between each line,
That can help.
which I think it can go into the teleprompter, right?
So it won't keep double spacing, but it will keep it if you just hold it with an asterisk?
Exactly. You put asterisks. Let me show you
And
how.
we can edit right on the spot right here.
Yes, you can. Well, I wouldn't do it right on the spot. Right? Like not while you're
No,
rolling.
no,
You would
no,
never like
no,
add
no.
spaces and add
No.
breaks while you're rolling.
No.
But certainly, like what you will do as the teleprompt
thank
is
you.
you will
Great
work
tip.
with. Okay, why did like scroll all the way? You will work with the talent. All right, while everyone's prepping, while the director's working with that, you will be autonomous and working with the talent and saying, okay, how is the speed? How is the spacing? Can you read it? Like, is there something I need to put enter in? You know?
Right. Mm-hmm. Good, good. All right, great. And you can just type real quick right into it. You can stop it.
Yeah, you could just go right here. So let's go to the top, right? PSA Combat. So let's say I wanted a break between Naturally and Interior Studio. I just go right here.
Okay.
Press enter, and
Bingo.
well, and then go where I wanted it to be. Here.
Okay,
Like that.
gotcha.
I have a question. So when they're reading it on the teleprompter, at what point do they start reading? Like, I see this is here to indicate that's where they start. Like, I
No,
don't get it.
every town is different. You'll notice that everyone reads differently.
Yeah.
What's more important is that they can read what they need to see, and that
But I
it
don't know
moves
what
at a
they're
specific
seeing
space.
because the teleprompter
This is what they're
downstairs,
seeing.
But this is up here, and I know any words from this point up you cannot read on the teleprompter.
Can we match it right now? Like what you see here, does it look like what's out there?
By the way, can you, like, say, I have a man and a woman. Can I just write woman and underline it? And
Underline? Do we have
yeah, could you have underlined it?
Why not just put it in parentheses?
Yeah, put in parentheses. That's easier. Or
Everything is in
asterisk.
parentheses. Asterisk.
Asterisk.
Oh, no, not in parentheses. Yeah.
I don't know what other text editing stuff we have. Oh, underline. There it is. So do we see it? There. Lori. Underline.
Laurie's underlined.
So this is your text editing right there. You can bold, italics,
Okay.
underline. It's up here in the top.
Samantha, that's what
Underline
we
when it's in
do. Just
Word?
bold the thing and
Or
underline.
we have
They'll
to do
know.
it here?
I would save your formatting. Okay, I would save formatting on for the auto script. Don't do much formatting in your Word or text or WordPad, whatever it is you use at home. Do it here.
Do it here.
Yeah, because this is all that matters. This is the bottom line.
Gotcha.
Make sure they're in focus. This looks okay. It's kind of not level, but whatever.
So right now,
02, and we save that.
right now,
And we say,
For the chroma key, you switch the inputs here.
for the chroma key.
It's going to be on this key auxiliary bus. The program bus stays on Skype or whatever background.
Okay,
That's different then. So then you have no preview.
When you have the green screen, you do your camera here.
Yeah, which means
Yeah.
when you're ready,
Is
you're
this-
really
Your
just putting
program will
finger
stay
on
on your
it.
background. So if your background is coming from Skype, it stays on Skype.
right.
Your inputs are here.
So when we get like a ready signal, then we just put our finger over the button
no, the little arrow.
because there's
Yeah.
no preview bus.
Yeah, there's no preview bus.
Condenser microphones require phantom power. So on this board, you're going to be looking for 48V.
48V.
Yes, there's a button on the top row,
On the
second from the top row,
second from the top.
that says 48V. So can I please have one intrepid volunteer sit down at the board?
Oh, I see it. Number 1. And I think number 2.
Okay, so the mics are inputted where?
4 and 5.
Let's turn on phantom power on them, please. 4 and 5.
4 and 5 are. Okay, gotcha.
Okay, let's bring up faders to unity. The faders in the bottom to unity.
Hold on.
What does unity mean?
Okay, go ahead. Got it. There you go.
Oh,
Over
There's
there in
a
the
U.
middle. Let's bring the master fader all the way on the right. Let's bring that up to unity.
Okay.
And we need someone to talk into them.
This is the phantom power.
Huh?
I think she's just asking about the power.
Okay, so we hear them, yeah? Yep. Can we kill the 48V, please?
Both of them, huh? Okay.
Wait for it, because it fades away.
Oh. Oh, yes.
Keep it going. See? It doesn't work without phantom power.
Yeah.
All right, let's turn it back on, please. Okay. So we're hearing them. So once you have the faders in the bottom up in Unity, actually, this was already unfortunately done. Someone didn't reset the board. Usually, when the board is reset, faders are down. All faders are down. All
Those are at 12 o'clock?
knobs in the top are brought down, but they were at 12 o'clock. So
You don't leave them at 12 o'clock, you leave them all the way down.
you turn them down when you normal the board. In audio studios, they're turned down. But in today's case, someone left them all at 12 o'clock. So that's why we got lucky. We brought it up to Unity. Let's do that, please.
We had enough level right away.
And we brought master up to Unity.
and then come up, and 48 is a phantom power, and that's just for the condensed mic.
I do have a question.
Okay, and one more thing, guys. As the sound operator, this is your bottom line. Not the board. Right here, the SD card. Whatever you're recording on, you want to make sure, let's have some words.
Hello.
When they talk, you see levels move here.
Okay.
Does that? I know we were supposed to bring in our own SD card, but I didn't know what should.
To record.
That's fine. I can. You should bring your SD cards, but
I have
we're
a
fine.
CF
Don't,
card.
no worries, no
Does it
worries.
take
No.
CF?
No, not CF, SD. This is your recorder.
Okay, SD card you need it for what? To record what you're gonna be
What
shooting.
we're shooting. Yeah.
Okay,
Recording
gotcha.
our final projects.
Tom mentioned
Okay.
that there might be a maximum on how big of a card this device.
Not to get 16.
Not to get bigger than 16.
No bigger than 16.
It should be in your packets.
Okay.
Right.
It should be in your packets.
For like a 2-minute PSA, PS, right?
Should be fine.
How many gigs?
16 is fine.
What's the minimum?
They really don't make
Minimum
smaller
gauge.
16 anymore.
Yeah.
How about 8? Can
It
you
should be fine for 2 minutes.
2 minutes? 8. Okay,
Let's
gotcha.
go back to the board, please.
Can you override the fader with
With the trims,
line?
yeah. I mean, if you need more gain. So guys, hang on. So we are getting, we're hearing them. We're getting levels, but you notice that here it's still a little bit weak.
Right.
All right, so
Is that recording right now?
no, it's not recording. So what we will do is add more trim on the top
I don't see.
for both of them.
Is that little red
Keep
thing
going.
there? It's not like a noticeable.
There we go. So
There
now
we
you
go.
see there's more levels coming in.
Right.
You don't want to touch this line over here. That means that's too much.
Right.
All right, but you want to get close.
Gotcha.
And wait, is that unaffected by the main out?
It is. See, if you turn down the main out,
Where's the main out?
this fader
The
that
main
he's
out
Okay.
okay. right
affects what
now.
we're hearing
Yeah.
in our ears.
No. There's main out and then there's monitor out. He brought down main out and they're still talking,
We're still talking.
but there's no audio coming into the SD card recorder.
Right. Okay.
Oh,
This
so
is
main
very
out
critical, guys.
only to there.
All right.
So as we bring it, the main fader, keep talking.
Make sure that dude is up.
More. Talk.
But now we're getting
And so now it's
audio.
recording when you bring up the fader.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Hey, that's important.
Okay, so that main out is independent of what we're listening to.
What do you
on the
mean it's
monitor.
recording now that we pulled up the fader?
No, it's not
No,
recording.
it will be recorded. Yeah, it is being sent to the recorder.
Okay.
Okay.
There are people who like record, you know, they shoot their whole program, but there's no sound because it doesn't come here.
Okay. Now.
On. All right, so if you have, did you guys go over iPods?
Nope.
SD?
A little bit,
No.
we did.
A little bit, so
There's an iPod possibility?
yes. All right, so I'm
Okay.
playing some Daft Punk. Can we please turn up where it says MP3 in?
Where? Hold on.
There's this. It's at the
Ralph?
bottom. It's a fader.
It's a fader?
Yeah.
On the bottom.
You guys will see that they're all labeled over here on this top row. So we're looking for
okay.
MP3 in.
Oh, on the top row. Okay, hold on. Ralph,
Yeah.
let me look at it.
Right here.
Where is? Okay, I see it. There you go. MP3 in. Got you.
Do you still need us to talk?
All right. Great.
No? Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
There you go.
So that's why I can have intro music that
Nice.
way.
Yeah.
Okay, so you could connect your computer, whatever connects to 1/8 inch.
Okay, gotcha.
So what do you? So when you do it on over here, is it still going into there?
If I do what?
MP3 and it's recording.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, see,
But
it's
if you just want to
going-
do like a short introduction, and then how do you bring it down? Do you bring it down over
then
here?
you would fade it
Yeah, then you
down,
fade it.
and
then it's fine, and it's still
our
okay,
show
cool.
is going.
And the director has to tell the audio man to bring it down.
Yes.
Fade in, fade out.
Okay.
As the director, you are giving the cues to audio to fade out while you're telling TD switch to camera 2.
Golly.
All
You
right.
have, by the
Yeah,
way,
come
you
back,
have to probably
yeah.
write this out in
That's
practice.
it, that's
or
it.
It's never gonna work. Like you probably have to rehearse it like the way an actor rehearses.
Yeah.
Well, we only
yeah.
have.
Well, we have 25 minutes.
There's just a chord that
Yeah,
comes
before
down.
we get to
We
your
have a pitch.
You have 10 minutes to talk to your team.
You go to
storyboards,
MP3.
prepare
Yeah, there's
everything.
a fader.
So basically, you
that
have
says
35
MP3 on it.
minutes.
You
Really.
got a computer?
Oh, so our 35 minutes.
Listen,
it
I'm
might
gonna
include our
download this
rehearsal
video, so
without
and I'm gonna
Yeah.
edit it
Oh,
so
okay.
you
And it might include
so you
multiple
can understand it.
multiple takes,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
You can use your prep time if you feel like you can email your colleagues too and do prep time in advance. That's another idea.
Oh, but when are you going to assign this our teammates? Because you said you assign who's on sound and CG and Skype.
It just rotates. So
So we can't email people.
You can't know ahead of time who's your crew, huh?
not necessarily. You could put together a production booklet in an email, right? An attachment, send it to everyone, and then everyone will have their smartphone, and then if you find out, oh, for her shoot, I guess I'm on TD. I'm going to read the TD part. I'm going to read the shot list part. You'll find that as a director, your biggest thing to create is your production book. And in the business, we call it the Bible.
Production book. We don't got that, don't we?
Like your shot list, your storyboard, your script.
Right.
All these things, the sequence of orders, anything that you feel you can communicate and convey to your teammates, it is most helpful because 25 minutes, if everyone comes in, like a team, everyone's already been briefed, you just execute, you'll have a smooth shoot. You can have multiple takes. Moving on.
Okay.
SD card recorder. Did you guys go over this? No. Oh, Lord. Then how are we going to record? All right, so you have your SD card. Okay, it locks here on the side. Down is lock, up is not lock.
Right. Got you.
All right, it goes in this way. And the side door, I can't twist it. You might get a better angle, but there's a rubber door over here. And the actual card protector door is now open. So I just I plug it inside, and then close the internal card door, close the rubber door. And now our SD card.
So there's two doors you have to close.
Yes.
Ernie, I'm sorry, could you?
There's no ambiguity about how it fits in, or?
No ambiguity.
Okay.
It's just how you put it in, if you put it in the wrong way. Bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I love that.
Okay. You guys are used to it. Yes. Okay. You probably want to format your card when you start. Menu. Go down to card functions. Card format. We go in. Up to select yes. Go in. It asks you a second time because you don't want to delete things you don't want to. And yes, now formatting.
So you're gonna have to have a unformatted or new.
Just
CD
make sure
card.
whatever's there is already backed up.
Okay.
When you come in here to shoot, you're gonna format it.
Oh, so we'll lose whatever's on it.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So format completed. Let's get out of here. Let's hit menu. Okay. I have 97 free minutes, as we can see up here. So also the mode you want to be in is at 1080. How do we make sure about that? We go back to the menu. We go to recording setup. No, not recording setup. I'm sorry. Menu. Where is it? Isn't it this one?
Up to 90.
No, that's playback. Panasonic. No.
Uh-oh, if you're having trouble, forget about us.
No.
But default, maybe it's defaulted to 1080. This is high def anyway, right?
Yes.
So maybe it's defaulted. So
Yeah, well, someone changed it before.
Dawn.
Anybody else need that?
Okay. Who's gonna write my email?
If everyone would just put their email, then we're gonna send out and say like, this is the email, and then that way we just all have it.
Okay.
As opposed to writing it down.
When the director says, let's roll, press the red button and you're rolling.
Okay.
And now you're recording.
So it was at default at 1080 already then.
Yes.
Okay.
So you press roll, and then what do you usually wait? 5 seconds? Is that like
2.
standard?
2 is
Just
fine.
2?
Yeah.
When we do the teleprompter, do we need to write a countdown on there, or the floor manager will actually just do the countdown for the talent?
Floor manager will count it.
Does anyone else need put in there?
I do.
Most of the instructions are here. I think it's actually missing half a step, and we'll go over that. So,
Okay.
we're gonna start it at 0. We're gonna turn it off, and to shut it down, we press power and shutdown request abort. We will confirm, and that turns it off.
Okay, can you do
So
it? Okay, it's
we'll come
supposed
back
to
to
be
that
off.
when we turn it off. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is off.
Off.
All faders are 0. I'm
Okay.
following the instructions now with the light board reset. All
Okay.
faders on 0. Turn system on. Step 2. We turn on the power. It lights up. Boom. Step 3. Push clear button 4 times. This is the clear button. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 4. Turn on end 1 and end 2 buttons on. There are these 2 buttons. They're lit and turned on. Master fader goes up. Step 5. This one. Blackout button is turned off. So you notice that blackout is
It's
off.
Gotcha.
Now, there's something that's missing. Before you faders on lights up, you have to turn up slider B.
Gotcha.
Once you turn up slider B, then each individual unit will turn on. As you can see, each individual unit has a number next to them. So for example, if you want to use this over here as a key, it says number
Which one?
17.
Where
Yeah,
do you
this
see-
area
okay.
light over here.
Okay,
number 17.
Gotcha.
Right, so we have fader number 17, and we turn it up. There it is.
Okay, hold on. You got fader number 17 right here on the board, and you turn that up, and it'll turn that number 17 on. Great, beautiful.
I'm not sure
simple.
what these do again. Those two, don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it right
Just
now.
always keep the one
Once
on.
this becomes, once you realize you like lighting and you want to do presets in your next shows, like something more complicated, then you can research the manual for this to do like the presets right now. But seeing as you guys weren't even teched as to like how to turn it on, let's stick to the basics. Master on, B on, and now you can turn up a fader. 17, boom.
Gotcha.
Okay, master and B. And usually it's on.
You have to push clear for, no, you have to turn it
Yeah,
on.
we all followed this to the
Okay.
T, but what's missing here is when it says faders on, lights up, they forgot to say that B needs to be up. If you don't have B up and you try to turn up 17, well, all right, people keep messing with this board. A was up, A doesn't do it. Fine, both faders down. And they go up. Changes every time.
Okay.
That's a
You
little
have to push
problematic.
clear 4 times.
Push
when you
clear
first
4
turn it on.
times.
Okay.
Then you turn on the 2 green
But to
ones.
be on the safe side, this one right here has to be turned on.
Not necessarily. What I would do is first test, and if it's not working, then you would just turn up B, and then it would work.
All right.
All right? Yeah.
Right.
Don't worry
People
about them.
change the programming to this so that
Okay.
kind of. And if you put it in the wrong way. Bless you.